Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about a power series. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. The question they ask to approximate the interval from 0 to 1 of 1 over 1 plus x to the power of 6 dx. So they want to use a power series in here. We have the formula that's about 1 over 1 minus s equals to 1 plus s squared plus s cubed s to the power of 4 and so on. So in here we can put about 1 over 1 minus open the bracket minus s to the power of 6. So we just use this one change for s in here, and we got about 1 minus s to the power of 6, s to the power of 12, negative s to the power of 18. So I just choose 6 units in here to do about approximation. Now we have the interval in here, so we put this one in here. And this is approximation, and we do the integral in here. We got about s minus s to the power of 7 over 7, 13, 19, 25, and the last one we put number 1 and number 0 in here, and we just got about 1 minus 1 over 7, 1 over 13, 1 over 19, 1 over 25, and the last one 1 over 31. You got about 0.889176. And this is the number we need to find in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.